Hello all and welcome to this short installation guide of the Olixar tempered glass camera protector. The process will only take a few minutes to complete and you will then have the perfect protection to keep your camera lenses safe from damage. Within the pack you will receive everything that is needed to install the glass to your lenses. There are wet wipes, dust removal stickers, guide stickers, a microfiber cloth and of course the protectors themselves. So to get started, take the wet wipe and clean away any dirt or grease from the camera lenses. Next, take the microfiber cloth and wipe away any excess liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. Once the area is completely dry, use the dust removal sticker to dab across the lenses to lift any dust or lint. We now can turn our attention to the screen protector itself. You'll need to place a guide sticker onto the glass protector. Now remove the glass from the plastic card. Avoid touching the sticky side of the protector. Now lower the glass onto the lenses of the device. Use the guide sticker to help you do so. To complete the process, give the glass a quick wipe over using the microfiber cloth. And there you are, your camera lenses are now protected from any damage that may occur as a result of everyday use.